To edit slow motion video on the POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all we need to open Gallery. Now once you open Gallery, over here we should be able to just simply open our slow motion video. And if you want to adjust the slow motion effect in order to decide where this effect should be applied, you can just simply tap on this icon that we have in here, those circles. And then here we have two timelines. So of course we have the main timeline where we can just choose which part of the video should be played. And then at the top we have the slow motion timeline, so we can decide which part of the video should be in slow motion. We can grab by this bigger line and we can just extend it all the way and have it throughout the whole video. So whole video is going to be in slow motion, or you can just choose a specific part of the video if you would like to do that. And once you are done, just tap on this check in the bottom right corner, wait for the video to be saved, and that's about it. Leave a like and subscribe.